The beauty of nature patterns unfold. Hello, my name is Kylie Gabunales from BTLED 1A Day program. And I'm so excited to tell you about the different collected patterns and regularities found in nature. And now, what are patterns and regularities in nature? Patterns in nature are visible regularities of form found in the natural world. These patterns recur in different contexts and can sometimes be modeled mathematically. But what are the different natural patterns? Natural patterns include symmetries, fractals, tessellations, foam, spiral, stripe, and crack. But we are just focusing on the three, the symmetries, fractals, and tessellations. So have you ever seen a butterfly, a face, a starfish? I know you've seen all of those, but what are their patterns called? Their patterns are called symmetries. Sounds interesting, right? Now, what is symmetries? Symmetries are when different sides of something are alike. Next would be the fractal patterns found in nature. A fractal is a detailed pattern that looks similar at any scale and repeats itself over time. Here are a few examples of fractals in nature. Crack in ice have fractals, lightning bolt, and fern. Have you ever heard of a tessellation? What is a tessellation? Tessellations are patterns that are formed by repeated cubes or tiles. Have you seen this before? What is it called? Yes, it's a sunflower, a tessellation found in nature. These are some more examples of tessellations found in nature: pineapple, turtle, and honeycomb. These are other patterns in nature: spiral, foam, stripe, and crack. That would be all.